Hey guys, welcome. Get my damn hand out of the way here. Happy Easter or New Year or whatever holiday it is, I don't know. Today I'm working on 2002 Nissan Pathfinder. Last week I put wheel bearing in the passenger driver side and a ball joint, and unfortunately guy calls me yesterday and tells me he's hearing a loud clunking on the passenger side. Every time he hits the gas, hits the brakes, hits a bump. And the ball joint's good, but I'll show you what I found out. Definitely bad news. So bad for the guy. Look at that. Yes, that's the lower control arm bracket separating from the frame. You can see right here. Actually, let's see if I can dig that out. Nope, can't get it, but that's separating from the frame. And if I put a pry bar in here, I don't know if you can see because I'm jiggling. Trying to get the camera still for you here. But it's definitely junk. Yeah, look. The whole thing's moving. Yep, it's shot. Unfortunately, it rusted through and it separated from the frame. That's a shame. I mean, I'll give you a quick overview of it. This thing is a nice, for an 02, it is gorgeous. It is absolutely a nice vehicle. And this thing is loaded. I mean, loaded with everything. It's not all rusted, except for that one spot there. But the interior is beautiful. Nice truck. Runs excellent. I mean, excellent. It's a shame. I mean, you could probably get it fixed somewhere, but I'm no professional welder. I can weld, but I'm no professional, and I will not take that liability. I just won't. See if you can see up in there. You can see up at the top of that bracket where it meets the frame, it's separated. So the whole lower control arm is moving back and forth. And I just won't take that responsibility of trying to fix it, and then something happens, it breaks, and somebody gets hurt or killed. Nah. But I just wanted to give a brief video and show you guys what's going on there. Alright, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you feel like leaving a comment or a couple $1 million, you know, that's not a problem. I won't get mad. So, you can do that. Have a nice day, guys.